In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Facebook ads account quality. Now, whether you're new to Facebook advertising or a seasoned marketer, keeping an eye on your account quality is essential. It gives you insights into how your ads are performing and helps ensure you're following Facebook's advertising policies. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Facebook Ads Manager. You can easily find this by doing a quick search for Facebook Ads Manager on Google. Once you've navigated to the main page, look for a prompt or button that says Go to Ads Manager and click on it. This will direct you to the main dashboard where you can manage all your advertising campaigns. If you're not already logged in, the page will ask you to enter your email and password. Make sure you have the correct login details ready, as it's crucial to access your account. For those of you using multiple Facebook accounts for different purposes, double check you're logging into the right one connected to your business or ads. Once your credentials are good to go, simply click on the login button and you'll be taken to the comprehensive world of Facebook ads. With successful login, you'll be presented with the campaigns dashboard. This area is essentially your control center where you can see all active, paused and completed campaigns. It's here that you can make adjustments, view metrics, or launch new campaigns. Now, while this dashboard is where you'll make the majority of your tactical decisions, to check your account quality, we'll need to take one more step forward. The next place you want to navigate to is the Account Overview section. You can find this option within the Ads Manager's menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on Account Overview to bring up a detailed view of your account. Here you'll be able to see crucial performance metrics such as reach, frequency and engagement for all your campaigns. This overview provides an at-a-glance look at how your campaigns are doing, offering insights into what aspects of your ads are performing well and where there might be room for improvement. It's important to regularly check this overview not just to assess current strategies, but also to ensure you're adhering to Facebook's quality guidelines. Keeping your finger on the pulse of your account quality helps to maintain a good standing, avoid penalties, and optimize the performance of your ads. With these steps, you will have everything you need to stay on top of your Facebook ads account quality. By consistently monitoring and adjusting your approach, you can achieve an effective advertising strategy that not only reaches your target audience, but also complies with platform standards. Thanks for tuning in and happy advertising.